everyone, it's Celeste again. Today I'm excited to show you how to make a simple Christmas ornaments called a star. This project has only 2 rows and you can use any yarn. In this tutorial, I am using a nylon thread from Macrom City. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated on all my tutorials. Now let's get started with what we are need for our tutorial. For this project, you will need a hook size E or 3.5 millimeter, any size medium or 4 of yarn, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle. To begin this project, we are going to make a magic ring and chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. This 3 chain is counted as 1 double crochet. Then make another 2 double crochet stitches to complete the first set. Then make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Then make 3 double crochet stitches. Now we have 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. And this is the third set. Now we are going to make another 2 sets. Make 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And the last set of our 3 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Lastly, chain 3. But before that, you need to pull the tail to close the gap on the center. But in this time, we have a little bit of space in the middle, and that's fine. And then slip stitch on the third chain of the first double crochet. And the first row is done. For the second row, make a chain of 1 and make a single crochet stitch on the following 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Then slip stitch on the space. Make a chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet stitches. Chain 3. And make a picot. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And make a slip stitch in the same space. Now we're gonna make a single crochet on the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Then slip stitch on the space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, a double crochet, chain 3, then do a picot, chain 3 again, and make a slip stitch on the same space. Now repeat again, make a single crochet on the next 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Then repeat this process by making a single crochet stitch on the following chains, slip stitch on the space, chain 3, a double crochet stitch, chain 3, then picot, chain 3, and slip stitch. Continue this pattern until you reach the end of the row. Lastly, make a slip stitch right here in the same space where you made the last slip stitch. Then slip stitch again on the next 2 chains. 1 and 2. Now pull your yarn to make a hanging thread. And our stars are completely finished. Cut the string, then secure it at the back using your yarn needle, and your star is ready to use. Now your star is done and this is ready to use. You can use any colors of yarn that you like. So if you enjoyed this video, please share it, subscribe, and click the notification bell to access my future videos. Happy crafting, everyone!